Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to clone or make a copy of a virtual machine. You will open the Virtualbox and say you have a virtual machine here that you want to clone, but here I have only one. You may have more than that. So you select whatever virtual machine you want to clone and then right click on it, and then from here you will click on clone. From here you will choose the new name of the new clone of the virtual machine. For example, here I'll make it web server. Sorry about that. Web server. And then I will mark here on reinitialize the MAC address of all network cards and then click next. And from here there are two options, full clone and linked clone. And here's an explanation. If you choose full clone, an exact copy including all virtual hard drive files of the original virtual machine, and there is the linked clone. So you will make it on full clone and then click here on clone. And of course it did not take time here because I don't have an actual operating system on the web host machine. Sorry, I mean on the virtual machine host. But you may have uh, an operating system with many hard disks and that contains a lot of files and has a big size, so it will take more time. And by that I have cloned this virtual machine from this virtual machine. It's an exact copy of it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.